Urwa bin Zubair says that he asked Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha about the verse translation, and if you apprehend that you will not be able to do justice to orphans girls, then marry such other women as seem good to you. 234 Surah Nisa, verse 3. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha whereupon said, O my sister's son, it means that orphan girl who is under the custody and care of his guardian, and is his co-sharer regarding his property, and her property and beauty fancy him, and he wishes to marry her without granting her as much jointure as is given to the other women likes of her. So they were proscribed from marrying them without doing justice in paying them jointure, and they were ordained to marry the women they like other than men. Urwa says that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, after the revelation of this verse, the people then inquired of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about them. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon revealed, and they asked you your verdict concerning women. Say them, Allah gives verdict to you concerning them, and that which is recited to you in the Quran concerning the orphan girls, whom you give not what is prescribed for them, and feel inclination to marry them, if they are affluent and comely. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, the verse which has been mentioned as being recited is the previous verse in which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, and if you apprehend that you will not be able to do justice to orphan girls, then marry such other women as seem good to you. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, in the second verse, what Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has said, you feel inclination to marry them, means that if someone has an orphan girl in his care and she lacks property and beauty, and he does not feel inclination to marry her, then he has been proscribed to marry an orphan girl to whose property and beauty he feels inclination without doing justice in the payment of the jointure. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7444.